Welcome to the Professional Certification Program, MERN Stack Developer with Generative AI. Master full stack development by integrating React, Node.js, and cutting-edge Gen AI to build portfolio-ready projects. The curriculum covers the client, server, and AI model layers. We offer 2 certification paths. Track 01 focuses on front-end development, mastering the UI/UX layer with React, and Gen AI design tools. Track 02 is the full-stack MERN plus Gen AI, designed for end-to-end application development with comprehensive stack and AI integration. Your learning journey is structured through 7 professional courses, hands-on labs, and capstone projects. This roadmap takes you from web development fundamentals through advanced topics like React, Node.js, MongoDB, Cloud Native, and the specialization in UI/UX design with generative AI. Earn 5 industry-recognized certificates upon completion. This includes 3 digital badges from the IBM Skills Network, a prestigious certification from IIT Patna, and a program completion certificate from Baroda, validating your full-stack project portfolio. Achieve comprehensive technical proficiency across the full stack. Learning outcomes include building responsive React UIs, mastering Node.js and Express backend logic, performing advanced MongoDB management, and deploying applications using Docker and CI/CD. You will also learn Gen AI for rapid prototyping and AI-assisted coding. Mastering the MERN Stack integrated with generative AI unlocks high-growth career opportunities. Roles include MERN developer, front-end developer, back-end engineer, and specialized Gen AI engineer. Node.js remains a dominant technology in the industry. The program offers extensive practice with over 40 guided labs and mini-builds. You will build a strong portfolio and gain job-ready skills in MERN and Gen AI. Career support includes resume reviews, mock interviews, and access to lifetime learning resources. Build a real-world projects portfolio featuring 7 capstone projects. These range from a single-page portfolio website and a secure customer portal API to an AI-powered UX prototype as the flagship project. Our student success stories demonstrate real career transformations with significant salary hikes. Graduates from diverse backgrounds have transitioned into roles like front-end React developer and full-stack developer, leveraging the program's practical projects. We provide clear career transition pathways for graduates, support staff, and designers. The included placement toolkit features resume optimization, mock interviews, and GitHub portfolio guidance to ensure job readiness. Advance your career by mastering MERN and generative AI. Earn 5 certificates, build real-world projects, and boost your career with job-ready skills. Secure your spot today through our website or contact us directly.